Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Find Coils. It's your girl, Sharice. Hey there, Kinks, Coils, and Curls. So today I am dyeing my hair. It's already dyed here. I tried to do a braid out, but it didn't really come out quite how I wanted it to. But my hair is looking amazing. It feels even better. It looks so full and luscious and shiny, and it is getting so big, y'all. But without further ado, you guys stay tuned and watch me change this hair color and get rid of these grays. Stay tuned.
Trust you, I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me, but I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I guess that you believe in me.
So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've got my box dye here, and inside of the box comes your color gel, a packet of deep conditioner, some oil, your developer, a pair of gloves, and the directions. You guys make sure to read the directions. Reading is fundamental. But I've also got a couple of utensils of my own, a clip, a detangler, a dye brush, and also a mixing bowl. And I'm making sure to read the directions just to get a little refresher. So starting on dry, not washed hair, I'm going to go ahead and pour the color gel into the developer. And I'm getting in every little drop. We do not waste product over here. You guys already know. And if you're using a mixing bowl like myself, you just want to mix it super thoroughly. If not, you would want to shake, 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 shake like your life depended on it, and also put on your gloves. But you want to mix thoroughly, and as soon as you're done mixing, you want to start applying it to your hair. You do not want to wait for the color to start to process and change. You want to put it in your hair right away. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And I'm starting with this first section right here. As you see, it's going on white or like a yellowy kind of eggshell color. But it's going to process and change color very quickly. And I should have did this, but I totally forgot or blanked. I don't know what I did, but I should have put some Vaseline around the perimeter of my head because I did have stained forehead for about a week. It didn't look that bad, though. It just looked like some super thick edges, so we let it rock. But right here, I'm kind of showing you guys the breakdown. I do the perimeter of each section. And then after doing the perimeter, I am then going to divide and split up this section into smaller sections with my fingers. And I'm going to work it in work it into this section real thoroughly, you know? Watch. Split. Work it in. You feel me? And yeah, and I just did this throughout my whole head. And once I'm done, I'm going to massage it in and make sure that my ends are covered. Not too much, but just enough. Because this isn't my first time dyeing my hair, you guys. I've been box dyeing my hair for about a year now. And so since this isn't my first application, I'm starting and really just focusing on my roots, not so much my ends. Because I don't want to overprocess my hair. And like I said, this is a re-dye, so it's pretty much just the roots. When the dye runs over my ends, it'll get that too, okay? So I'm making sure that all my ends are saturated in this back section because the front is super saturated. And to me, that's the most important because that's what everybody sees. And yeah. So I'm making sure this is nice and worked in. I'm going to massage my scalp to make sure, you know, every little area is massaged. I'm just covering what's left on my fingers. And my face is like that because this stuff stinks, you guys. Like, it smells like straight just chemicals. Like, if y'all remember what Just For Me perm used to smell like, that's what this smells like. So, It's really strong. Just keep that in mind. Put Vaseline on your edges. Do this on dirty hair. And yeah, let it sit for 20 minutes. Once you're done, with a plastic cap over it. And that wasn't enough for me, so I'm going to get a bag. See my bag. And I let it sit for 20 minutes. And then I'm going to show you guys my deep conditioner cocktail. So, yeah. And before anybody tries to come for me in the comments, I am not lifting my hair color. I'm simply adding pigment to it. So that's actually going to give me a fuller, thicker, and even stronger feel. So mind yours, okay?
Usually with demi-permanent color, you're getting a lot of conditioning. Your hair should feel so revitalized and amazing after using a demi-permanent color. Typically, they're formulated to be very conditioning and have a lot of nutrients in them to make sure they're good for your hair. And you're not lifting your hair, you're only depositing color. So it should actually benefit your hair and only make it feel better and look shinier and look healthier.
Anyways, their little packet of deep conditioner wasn't enough, so I am adding some of my own and my Miracle BB Judy drops. I didn't use their oil. I just added my Miracle BB Judy drops and the Main Choice Growth Oil to this concoction, and you made my own. This also lets me know that my hair is growing, because this box alone used to be enough, but unless they just giving us less products. So I got definition, I got shine. Real quick, if you look at my forehead, you can kind of see the black, but like I said, it's not that bad. My forehead, it only stayed like that for a few days anyway. I washed my hair a lot, so it cleared up just fine. But like I was saying, that little concoction of mixtures of deep conditioners, I don't like to mix my products a lot, but I'm gonna have to start doing that a little bit more, because I got definition, shine. There was so much slip. Like, my hair looked beautiful when I was done. So after rinsing out my deep conditioner cocktail, I then applied the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and I applied that to my hair while I was in the shower. And then I moisturized my scalp with my Miracle drops from BB Judy, you know, all that. And then I added my Main Choice Growth Oil to the length of my hair, just to kind of seal in the moisture from the leave-in, or add a second layer of moisture from the leave-in. And then to seal all of that in, I then added my As I Am Double Butter Cream, and that's my LOC, my Lock Moisture Method. Now, I'm going to post a video very soon of how to properly moisturize and maintain the moisture of your hair after you found out your porosity, because I've been getting a lot of questions about that from both high and low porosity girls. So my video will be directed to both high and low porosity. But as you guys can see me here, I've been unraveling this braid out. I attempted to do something different and do a braid out. You guys, I'll let you see what that looks like. This is why I stick to what I know with my twists and my wash and goes, because these braid outs, no. I'll try a perm rod set, and I'll try another braid out with the Tropical Moringa braid glaze, but I don't know, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was real simple and sweet. You guys make sure you stay tuned on Tuesday. I can't wait to see you guys then. I hope you guys are enjoying this quarantine time. That stimulus money coming soon, y'all. Make sure y'all get y'all coin. Get y'all coin. Speaking of saving some coin, if you guys live in the state of Florida, this is Shamika Hamilton. She is the what's what when it comes to taxes, credit, stocks, savings, buying a home, buying a car, rebuilding your credit score, like this stimulus stuff, unemployment. Like, she has 2 sites, or yeah, two sites you could go to. It's either Shamika Hamilton or you could go to Shamika Saves. You guys hit her up. Like, any questions that y'all have, she will get you the answer, sis. And she's very quick. She's not gonna leave you hanging for a whole 16 weeks to get you an answer. She's gonna drop some knowledge, how I always be dropping them discount codes and whatnot. She has the real nuggets, so hit her up, okay? And I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. We are at 79 subscribers now. So we are 21 people away from my giveaway. I'll see you guys on Tuesday.